Namhlanje kuvele ukuthi kungamanga lihlazo ukuthi ithimba laliphenya ngokubulawa kosombusazwe KwaZulu-Natal lahlakazwa ngoba lingasasebenzi njengoba kwasho ungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa osehlatshiswe ikhefu uSenzo Mchunu.
The narrative that the PKTT was not effective is completely false. If at any point I was convinced that the PKTT was no longer effective, I would not have approved its extensions and budgets.
Uthi okwenziwa ngumchunu kwakuqhambukela emsebenzini wakhe njengokhomishana uma ethi leli thimba alihlakazwe. Uthi uma kuukuthi kwakukhona okwangahambi kahle ngaleli thimba kwakumele aqale akhulume naye kuqala hayi ukuthi athi alihlakazwe.
My issue is, for example, in this case of the political killings task team, it is a task team that is working at a lower level under a provincial commissioner. If ever he found anything wrong with the task team, he could say, that task team, I think you need to disband it, and we can engage in the terms of the why and how and so on. But to go further to say disband, but then after saying disband, then you go further to say now, not even tomorrow. I think that is totally encroachment into the mandate of the National Commissioner in terms of performance of my duty.
Ngesikhathi leli thimba lisaphenya uthi lathola ukuthi kunamanye amacala la osombusazwe babezithengela bona izinkabi ukuthi zibadubule onyaweni khona kuzobonakala sengathi impilo yabo isengcupheni ukuze bathole onogada.
Councillors will go as far as getting into their cars and say somebody must shoot, but just make sure you shoot just on the shoe, don't shoot too deep on the bone. And in that process, sometimes because the person is in the boot, you shoot from outside, always an accident happens, then they get seriously injured. And that was done purely to derive to fight for protection, to say one's bodyguard.
Ikhomishana iguqile.